Tap the menu and go into the setting. System. Reset option with the password 3368. And here you can see there's 3 options for you. Look at the first one. The first one is Reset network and Bluetooth setting. After selecting this option, all previous connected Wi-Fi password and Bluetooth device will be deleted, and you will need to reconnect and re-enter password. Importantly, this will not delete any software or data. Look at the second one option, Reset App Preference. This second option is Reset App Preference. This will restore the default opening mode, background restrictions, notifications, permission, and setting of all app to factory default, while keeping this app themselves intact. Look at the third option. This option is Erase All Data, which will fully restore the device to its original factory state.